A surgical scar revision is when I surgically remove an unsightly scar and sew the wound back together, hoping that the future scar will look better than the current scar. The one advantage that the old scar has on the new scar is that old scars always have time on their side. In general, all scars look better with time. So if we are going to perform a surgical scar revision, we need to be confident that the new scar will look better than the old scar over time. A surgical scar revision is performed by removing or excising the unsightly scar and then carefully sewing the skin back together, hoping that the new scar will heal better than the old scar. If you want to get some tips about how to make the best scars, check out one of my other videos which talks about things you can do to make the best possible scars. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.